dump the whole bag in and let them go.
You're really confident about this process. Here they go.
Hi, fishies. You're supposed to go out the hole. Out of the hole. There you go. Bye. Ooh, big pond. Yeah.
Where'd they go? They're like, they're gone, Angel.
They're in there. They went to find a nice place to acclimate. They'll be fine.
Well, you have a lot more experience with fish, so I trust
There they
you.
are.
There they go. Oh, well, they haven't gone belly up yet.
Well, that's not a good sign if they go belly up. They're exploring.
Yeah. All right.
Cool.
Oh, that's so exciting.
Yeah. And if these do really well, we'll see about getting some more in.
Yeah, let's try. We'll see how
We'll
these
see
guys
how
do.
these do. Yeah.
All right. Welcome to your new pond fishies. Do these guys have names?
Not yet.
Hey, did you stand your duck up?
I did.
He falls over all the time. Where is he? Oh, there he is. All right.
He falls over because he gets water in his little backside, and that causes him to
Welcome.
fall over.
Welcome to the Wildlife Center, guys.